Learn cooking phrases. I am kneading the dough. I am marinating the beef. I'm tossing the salad. I am grilling the chicken. I am cracking the eggs. I am blending the ingredients. I am sautéing the vegetables. I'm simmering the curry. I'm flipping the cutlets. I am garnishing the meal. Subscribe.